Yeah, I'ma say fellowship over friendship. For their friends who destroy each other, but real friends stick closer than a brother. Words of Proverbs, I said march alongside drug. From out of this love, we know what I want. Say them my friend till you can't eat them with them one.
Alright guys, I'll be filling in my brows, or rather drawing in my brows, because there's not much to fill in there, with black Opals Coffee Bean, and this is their mechanic pencil. I love this to bits and pieces, but unfortunately your girl has run out. But Coffee Bean, yeah, it's lit. Black Opal. So now I'm taking Black Opal's Toast Concealer, and this is what I always use to do my brows, and I love it for highlights as well. But for now, I'm just using it to clean up my brows. Oh, and my contact lenses, I have a video on that. I'll link it in the description bar below. But basically, it's from Pinky Paradise. It is their Gemini series, and the color that I'm wearing is gray. Isn't it just sexy? Oh no, this isn't the Pinky Paradise. This is my gray from Fontana Pharmacy. My bad, you guys. My bad, my bad. My God, it's my gray from Fontana. And I bought this one from the Barbican branch at Fontana Pharmacy. So it's fresh look and it is in gray. Just gray alone. They have gray blue or another gray thing that they sell, but it's just straight gray. Alright, so now I'm going to be moving on to just blending up my brows. And I like taking a nice fluffy stiff brush to blend my brows out. Now when I blend, I always blend out before I put my foundation on, because when I blend out before, it just makes the foundation blend easier and it gets rid of that halo look above the eyes. Alright, so next I'll be going in with my Makeup Forever Smoothing Primer. Look at Jonathan's head. My Makeup Forever Smoothing Primer, and this is what I'll be using today. And I have one bump there on my face, but I did my skincare routine after this. Oh, this? What's up, baby? Call me, baby. I love you. Call me, okay? Yeah. This is Sasha Cosmetics Camouflage Foundation in Spice, Perfect Spice. I am completely in love. I'm going to dedicate a full-on video to this baby because it is worth it. Okay, it's worth it. So I was saying that I have a skincare routine that I believe it is up now. Hopefully it's up now. And I made it after this video. Yeah, about a week after or so of this video. So I'm just applying my foundation, and I normally go under my neck. And none of the times when I'm applying foundation, we don't go under the neck. I don't think it's an area for us to forget about. Just keep that in mind when applying a foundation. So now this is Fawn, and I'll be blending out Fawn with my beauty blender. And I've re-fallen in love with my beauty blender. I love how it blends. It's just so effortless. So now I'll be taking my my Ben Nye banana powder. It's a luxury banana powder. I don't know Ben Nye banana powder. We might explain both. So this might take, and I'll be applying this to set everywhere that I place Fawn. So you guys know the drill. But this Ben Nye banana powder is a little bit white than I think it is. And I really think the person who sold this, they tampered with it. I think they put baby powder in it, because it smells completely different from my other Ben Nye banana powders, and it is white. It doesn't have that yellowy banana color. So yeah, that was my Shades by Gal foundation contour palette, and that was me putting down Jonathan in that black and white clip. I just had to include it because you guys have no idea how difficult it is to record with Jonathan when he's up. So this is my Black Opal in dark, and this is, I have not, listen to me, this thing adds such a nice color. It is, oh, I love it. So I'm using it to bake, believe it or not. So now I'm taking my Nubian 1 palette. It's the very first Nubian palette that what is the name again? Juvia's Place came out with. This is the very first palette, and everything else is self-explanatory from here because I'm just putting on eyeshadows. So I'm gonna let the music do its thing, and I'll leave y'all to watch and stuff.
Yeah. So still safe. What the bowlers? Controllers. You know, so now. Hey, Christian life it's at the hardest. Oh, me I stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place, I know me hardest. Oh, me I stay safe like a artist. When me touch the street, me don't go see nobody can this. Oh, me I stay safe like a artist. Father me shield and me banana can this. but me a stay safe like a artist. Everybody who dey on the street and on the corner ready. The Lord himself he born again, although you born already. Satan him a look for me, but tell him say me gone already. Inna me shield of faith and dress up and me got my armor ready. Father God him carry me through the storm already. This is a spiritual warfare. Up on this mission already. Satan and him army them a get this armor ready, bomb already. It's like say me holding a Osama Medi. Me no care if blue I step I use that in him song already. Man a devil killer devil I forget killer for me show. If him show up and me show and me perform already. This is a Armageddon when them gonna bed and gonna drop the wake up shock. One of them all I think I done already. Christian life it are the hardest. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place I know me hardest. Hey yo, me a stay safe like a artist. When me touch the road me nah go say nobody can this. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Lord of me shield and me banana goddess. Oh me a stay safe like a hard. Hey, Christian life it a the hardest. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Even now me make a this a place I know me hardest. Oh me a stay safe. Them say a Christian you are not, so you cannot be an avanat. Watch how me a step on some carnot, cause some of them heart dirtier than Kiamat. Them say them save like a hard disk. Some of them fi cat that go format. Or some harlot show up a heavy show and me perform at. Cause them see me park up in a the car lot. One give me your number fi call back. Say she want come chill out bill and all that. But I and I me living fi Christ. Cause him dead for me. And me know say the nail what them run through him format. Lord them a show up where I'm at. Man a step up in a life cool warm at. We have wild Jesus make me high like a pilot. All who are exalt themselves, them salt like they married to the guy lot. When me say me I stay safe, me no mean me a save up for buy lot. Me a stay safe like an artist. You know what I mean? Heaven is my place, this earth, and me on this. Me a stay safe like an artist. And when me touching on the street, me not gonna say nobody can this. That's why I say God bless, regardless. You know, I'm say all the whole youth say man of a prison outside. So I want you alone to preach Jesus Christ. All of the people them will beseech each and every one. Understand when me a teach. Yeah, me know. Me and the Lord go way back like a tape recorder. At the age of me name and Jesus and my father. And him feed me and make me fat and me no maga. And he make me life so easy and it coulda harder. So anywhere me go me big up for me charger. And him a give me strength like me phone pan a charger. I know me nah go left and go over the border. Cause closer to me is the Lord more than my brother. Me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the most and keep him close by. And me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Don't try. Any man deny the God, me no say him no sober. And Jesus Christ me say I represent Jehovah. And nobody can make me come off of the road. And me have the Lord in me heart that me prouder. So turn up for me mic and make me chat it louder. And for me Lord Jesus Christ me is a soldier. Pan Calvary cross them drive nail through him and make him blood run like when you pull a soda. Me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep him close by. And me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Don't leave and don't try. Don't try, you're gonna die. So seek the Most High and keep him close by. Don't leave and don't try. And I said the word you say, man, if you praise the Most High, Jesus Christ, you know. So take this opportunity for accept him in your life, you know. Yeah, what me tell them, say, people, hear me now. Say, seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep him close by. And me say, seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Don't even, don't try. So seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep Him close by. I'm Mr. Seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. You need the Most High.
So guys, I wanted to take the opportunity to tell you guys that there's absolutely no primer on my eyes. These eyeshadows are coming up just as you're seeing them. I have no primer on. I have no base on. It just up on my eye. So I am completely over the moon about this Juvia Place eyeshadows, not lie. So I'm using two of them. I'm using the very first one and the very last one that they create, the most recent one as the date of this video, and that's the one that's right here. This is called the Saharan palette, and this is their most recent one. And I'm using both of them today, and I must thank Fumi de Salute Fold for introducing me to them, to this palette. Oh, thanks Papa. Jonathan just kissed me. So I'm thanking her for introducing me to it, because I always see her snap about it, and I definitely use oh Papa, I love you. And I definitely use I love you. And I definitely use her code her code Fumi whenever you are checking out, whenever you want to order your Juvia's Place Juvia's Place palettes. Use her code Fumi, F-U-M-I. Back to the music, or not, because Jonathan just kissing up a storm. This is my LUME Luminate 5-piece collection. It's from LA Colors. Do not sleep on these big. I love you. Yeah, kiss. Yeah, mommy doing a voiceover. Mommy doing a voiceover. Yeah, over.
God bless. Praising God. I am wide we're praising God. Even the amazing God. Praising God. All of the ones of the Lord Jesus Christ. Praising God. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna lead them. In the sky, we're praising all I need. God. Tell them so we gonna lead. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them, we gone away. Lord will put it way. I didn't pass on him the link and he don't check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them, we gone away. God will put it way. I didn't pass on him the link and he don't check where. Lead like a fast car, speed like a NASCAR. Yes, I am a real African star. So me ask them what me stopping one car. Them they want see me hop in that car. Up with the bike pull over me stop in that car. It's like them want see me back in that car. And I squander every cent for me have. But in a life you know say me top in that car. Them watching the news we see that him got scar. And they be no disappointed just because me anointed. Them see that him got far. Tell them the amazing God. In the sky we be raising God. Every day you know we praising God. We don't praise Satan, cause like say mother raising God. So we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them, we gone away. Lord will put it way. I didn't pass on him the link and he don't check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them, we gone away. God will put it way. I didn't pass on him the link and he don't check where. God of the solid rock and yes me I go stay on it. Anytime when you check you know me there on it. Right before me got me bed before me lay on it. Me go down on my knees and you me pray on it. No me not take the Lord praise and be Satanic. Why? Cause me no evil, me no Satanic. On the broad road no me not go straight on it. Check the number road and you see the AJ on it. And when the Lord give me one heap of taste and one heap of trial, he bless me and me get there on it.